Hey guys, so if you ever wanted to access student discounts, free software trials, or educational tools, an EDU email can help you get there, even if you're not currently enrolled in a university. So guys, step number one to create one will be visiting an educational institution website that offers an open enrollment. So you just go to a community college or public university website that allows anyone to register for non-credit courses. Examples include Coastline College. For example, let us type that in. So this is our Coastline College, for example. Also Los Angeles Community College District or Butte College in California. Many of these schools provide an .edu email once you sign up for any online class, even inexpensive or free ones. And after that, you just choose a short or low cost course. During registration, you'll need to create an account with your personal email first, fill out your details carefully, make sure to use your real name and date of birth, as these will be tied to your student profile. And once your registration is approved, the school will create a student account and send instructions to set up your official .edu email. This can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days. And next, you just follow the activation link sent to your personal email. After logging in, you'll now have a working .edu address, for example, your name, college.edu. And also keep in mind, eligibility and access can vary by school, so always check the student email policy before applying. If you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one.